Shivangi, welcome to your trades. What should one do? Because they were now there are a lot of whispers about can there be a possibility of rebound, especially a report coming in, a U-turn, a tactical reversal report coming in from CLSA. Moody talking about the GDP growth. These two important cues also failed to fuel the optimism today. What we saw again, a lackluster trade. At least we did not fall much, but we did not rise also much. What to do?
Hi Priyanka, very good afternoon. So we've seen that the sell-off is kind of having an aftermath here. Now, the important observation today was that we had made a low of 23,350 on June 24th, and that is exactly where we bounced off from today. So 23,350 becomes an important support level here, more of a make or break zone over here, and it should sustain above these levels for some strength to regain back here. But of course, we're not expecting any U-turn from here. The reversal is quite slow and steady in process. Rather, we've seen put call ratio have sunk, and even the India VIX has risen and is hovering at the higher zones, which clearly indicates that bears still have a good grip in the market. Also, we've seen there has been a breakdown on the daily basis, range breakdown. So there will be some sort of pain which will linger on for some point of time. But the good part is that we've taken a little bit of a breather here, and we've roundabout closed above 23,450 levels, which somewhere means that we are heading for a little bit of a time correction rather than the price correction which has happened in the last 4 to 5 weeks. So levels wise, if we talk about 23,350 will be a make or break zone here with a hurdle of 23,750 marks.
Okay, Shivangi, thanks for that view coming in. Now, when you joined us last time, you said something that's really stuck with me. You said the concern is global, but the dent is personal. And this dent, like you said, seems to be continuing, right, in terms of a time correction. Amid a market like this, I'm sure you must be still spotting some pockets of value. Where are you seeing value? On what recommendations you would have for our viewers going into this week?
Of course, yes. Thanks, Nehi. So, we have been impacted a lot by the global markets, and that's how we've reacted in the last 2 months. And that is why, the dents have been personal. But of course, we've seen that the FIs have been consistently selling, which is why there has been no signs of, sigh or no signs of recovery that we've seen in major sectors. So it's very important to be with some of the sectors which are showing resilience and strength in this kind of a market. So the first preferred pick, which I am spotting is on IKA Lab. Now the entire lab and pharma space stocks diagnostic sector is doing quite well, and we've seen that somewhere these are defensives where the investors run to, where the market is in such a honky dory, and we've seen that some sort of a long build up have started here in IKA Lab after the short covering move in the previous session. We've touched an important exponential moving average on weekly basis and exactly negated the lower top, lower bottom formation from those levels. So definitely this stock is one which is looking quite positive, and one can expect targets of around about 1630 here. So recommending a buy here for those targets with a stop of 1530 levels. Now, the second pick on my radar is Indian Hotel. We've seen that there has been a fantastic price volume surge last week, and today's session there was a bit of a follow up, but again intensity had become a little lower. But good part is that it is holding on above 730 odd levels, which is a support here. So overall, we are seeing that this stock has witnessed buying interest and remains, strong, still continuing to hold on to its rising trend line on the monthly basis, which clearly indicates that any small declines are being utilized for buying here. So recommending a buy here with a target of 770 levels, looking quite positive with a support of 720 zone.
So Indian Hotels and IKA Lab. Indian Hotel has done fairly good ever since the numbers came in. Thanks very much, Shivangi, for that view on the index as well as your specific trades.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.